How to fix hotspot not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. Now here you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then swipe down to your control center. And here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.